A very good morning to all the dear students. We are going to start the module 3 of chapter number 2, Parallels and Meridians. In this chapter, first let's do the recap of module number 2. So what we have studied in module number 2 is imaginary lines running from north to south are called meridians or lines of longitude. All meridians are of same length. Meridians cut the parallels at right angles. Meridians help to locate places in the east-west directions. So that means जो imaginary line है वो north to south चलती है from, and this is called as meridians. Then all the meridians are of same length. जितनी भी meridians हैं वो same length की हैं. They cut at the right angles to the equator or the other parallels. एंड मेरिडियंस हेल्प लोकेट, और जितनी भी प्लेसेस है वो उनको ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट डायरेक्शंस में लोकेट करती हैं. यस, हाउ आर मेरिडियंस नंबर्ड. अब हम मेरिडियंस को नंबर कैसे करते हैं ये देखेंगे. टू नंबर द पैरेलल्स वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द इक्वेटर. तो जितने भी हमको पैरेलल्स नंबर करने होते हैं तो हम इक्वेटर से स्टार्ट करते हैं. बट अगर हमको मेरिडियंस नंबर करने हैं देन वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द प्राइम मेरिडियन विच इज़ नियर द लंडन इन ग्रीनविच एंड वी टेक इट एज अ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट्स एंड इट्स डिग्री इज ऑल्सो 0. The lines of longitude are also numbered from 0 degree and 180 degree on either side towards the east and the west of the prime meridian. तो जितनी भी longitudes हैं उनको हम 0 से 180 डिग्री तक लोकेट करते हैं या हम उनको नंबर्स देते हैं. राइट, फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट ऑफ द प्राइम मेरिडियन. इफ वी गो टुवर्ड्स द ईस्टर्न साइड तो 0 to 180 डिग्री इन ईस्टर्न साइड, एंड इफ वी गो टुवर्ड द वेस्टर्न साइड देन 0 to 180 डिग्री इन western side. The meridian of 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same line. Hence, in total there are 360 meridian. So, one line is common between 180 degree east and 180 degree west. It is on the same line. यानी कि ये दोनों चाहे वो ईस्ट डायरेक्शन की 180th है या वो वेस्ट डायरेक्शन की 180th डिग्री है, they are on the same line. And in total they are 360. Like if we cut the circle then the degrees into the circle will be 360 degrees. Right, I hope it is very clear to you now. So now let's move to the next. So this is how our meridians are divided. Right, so in between you can see the equator. Then we have the western hemisphere towards the left and eastern hemisphere towards the right. Right, so let's see the next slide. So this is how they are at 180 degree on either side. Right, from the west to the east. Right, so west में can you see 30 degree west, 60 degree west, 90 degree west, 120, 150 and 180. Likewise if we go towards the eastern side 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, 150 degree east and finally 180. So why 180 is not written as west or east? Because it is common for both the sides. Right, so now locating places on a globe. अब हम locate कैसे करें? We have our house number. Right, so the people can come and visit us on that particular area on that particular house. So ऐसे ही अगर हमें कोई place को locate करना है globe पे, so we need some numbers. So you can see the parallels and meridians form a network of lines on the globe. This is called the grid. So you can have a better look from this. So this is the grid. Right, the lines which are parallel and which are longitude. Right, so they are dividing each other. Right, so this is forming a grid. We use it to locate places on the globe. और हम किस लिए काम करते हैं ग्रिड को? Why do we use it? To locate some place on the globe. To locate the place, we must know the parallel or latitude, its meridian or longitude. So hence, अभी मैंने आपको जैसे बताया था इस वाले में, that we need some parallel or a longitude line, and then the point which is when they are crossing each other, that is known as the grid. So let's see the next point. The point at which the parallel and the meridian cross each other is the location of that place. So this is what I explained just now. Now you can see how the grid forms, right? So these are the latitudes. Can you see with the yellow circle? I have written 60 degree, 30 degree, 0 degree as equator, then 30 degree north, 30 degree north, 60 degree north, 90 degree north. So parallels plus meridians, they form the grid, right? So can you see 60 degree west, and they all are forming the Earth's grid. So now let's come to the next. So we have already explained it. Okay, so this is how you can better take an example, that the point, red point, can you see that red point? This red point is 40 degree north, because from the northern hemisphere it is 40 degree, and 30 degree west. Can you see the longitude of 30 degree? So it is 30 degree from the west. So the point or the location of this place is 40 degree north and 30 degree west. Yes, you can see North Pole here, prime meridian, equator, parallels and meridians. So now let's come to the example. So location of Mumbai in India. So this was the place which we don't know what is the place is. So let's come to see the example. तो एग्जाम्पल है लोकेशन ऑफ मुंबई इन इंडिया. अगर हमें लोकेशन ढूंढनी है मुंबई की इंडिया के मैप पे, so location of Mumbai is 19 degree 0.4 minutes north, 72 degree 52 minutes east. The star in the next slide shows the position of the Mumbai on India's map. So can you see the star? Yes. So this is the black star which you can see in this slide. Fine. So red line is the latitude which is around 19 degree north. So this one. So I have already bolded. So red line is 19 degree north. Then black line shows the longitude of Mumbai, which is 72 degree east. So you can see it here. Yes, this is 72 degree east. So this point where 19 degree north and 72 degree east is, this is the place which is known as Mumbai. I hope this is very clear. Thank you and have a nice day. Enjoy your session.